Hi and welcome to another episode of NWTV. My name's Amanda and today I'm going to show you how simple it is to make a fresh dough pizza in your NW ThermoChef and then cook it in your NW Pizza Maker. Hi and welcome to another episode of NWTV. My name's Amanda and today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh pizza dough in our NW ThermoChef, and then we're going to cook up a restaurant quality pizza in our NW pizza oven. For our pizza dough, all we need is some plain flour, some yeast, oil, salt and some water. To begin with, we're going to place the water into our TC bowl. We need to place the salt in the bowl and the oil. Then we need to place the lid on top of our ThermoChef bowl, ensuring that it's locked into place. All we need to do now is heat the water 37 degrees, speed 1 for 1 minute. To program, we're going to select our speed, press the plus button to speed 1, then we're going to use our temperature. It's going to select 37 automatically, then we're going to press our timer, add 1 minute and press on. Now that that's finished, the water's nice and warm, ready to place the yeast in the ThermoChef bowl, ready to activate it. So we're going to add the yeast and the flour. Making sure we get all of the yeast out of the bowl. Add the flour, nice and slowly. Then we're going to place our lid back on top of our ThermoChef bowl, and we're going to use the knead function to knead the dough for 1 minute. Using the knead function, you simply press the rolling pin. Then we're going to select our time, pressing the timer down the bottom, the plus button, and then all we need to do now is press on. Okay, now that that's finished, we're going to check our pizza dough. Look at that. Fresh pizza dough in under 2 minutes in our NW ThermoChef. Now be careful when we're removing the dough because the blades are quite sharp, so we just want to ease the dough out with our hands. If there's any stuck at the bottom, you can grab a little bit of the dough and just use that to pick up the rest of it that might be down underneath the blades. Then you want to just form the dough to a nice ball. Then we're going to place it into a bowl, and then we're going to cover it with a tea towel. Place it into a warm place for half an hour to prove. Now that our pizza dough has been proving for 30 minutes, it's ready to use. Here I have the pizza dough. I've divided it into two and I've already formed my pizza dough into my base. So all we need to do now is move over to our NW pizza oven and preheat it. The NW pizza oven is especially designed for making pizza. The ceramic stone base makes it perfect for cooking a crisp pizza in just under 5 minutes. To get started, we need to preheat the pizza oven to 1.5. Once the pizza oven is ready, the heat indicator light will turn off. That means your pizza oven is ready to use. This will take approximately 5 minutes. Now that our pizza oven has preheated, we're going to open the lid. Now when cooking with a fresh pizza dough, sometimes it may stick to the stone, so a good idea is just to dust a little bit of flour on the base of your pizza stone. And when cooking with fresh dough pizza, it's always a good idea to place the pizza dough on top of your stone and then start topping. That way the pizza dough is going to cook through nice and evenly while you're adding your toppings to your pizza, and then once you finish cooking, it'll be cooked all the way through. So using our metal paddles, we're going to pick up our pizza dough, place it onto the stone, going nice and slowly, sliding it on. Now today we're going to top our pizza with a little bit of passata, some salami, feta, mozzarella, little cherry tomatoes and some fresh basil. So to begin with, we're going to place our passata on top of our fresh pizza dough. Making sure we spread it nice and evenly over the base. Once you're happy with the amount of passata you've got on your pizza, it's time to start topping. Now we're going to start with the mozzarella next. Once you've got your cheese, make sure you just spread it around nice and evenly. And just remembering your pizza oven's hot, so you just want to be careful. Then we're going to place our salami on there. As little or as much as you like. I tend to go with a little bit less. The pizza's so fresh and tasty, you really aren't going to need much topping on there. Then we're going to pop our fresh tomatoes. Some feta. And then just finish it off with a little bit of basil on top. And you can smell that pizza dough cooking through already. It smells fantastic. All we need to do now is close the lid, turn it up, the control knob up to setting 2, and then allow the pizza to cook with a fresh dough about 5 to 7 minutes. You can check on your pizza throughout the cooking process, which is a good idea. Simply open the lid, check the pizza. If you require a little bit longer, close the lid again and continue to cook your pizza. Now if you do find, once you've opened your lid, the top's cooked but your base might be a little bit under, leave the lid open. That way you can still continue to cook the base of your pizza through while you're waiting. And there you have it, a fresh dough pizza base, prepared in our NW ThermoChef and cooked in our NW Pizza Maker. This recipe is available in the ThermoChef recipe book and also available on the app, which you'll find on the Google Play or Apple iTunes store. Many more recipes are also available on the NW website. My name's Amanda, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.